Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to set up mood check-in reminders using the Calm app. This feature helps you stay mindful of your emotions throughout the day by sending timely notifications. Whether you want to track your mood regularly or just want a gentle reminder. First, open the Calm app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the profile icon to open your account page. Then, in the top left corner, tap on the Settings icon. This will open the Settings menu where you can adjust various features of the app. Then, scroll down through the Settings options until you find the Notifications section. Tap on Notifications to open the notification settings. In the Notifications menu, look for Mood Check-in and tap on it. Now you can set the time when you want to receive the reminder. Tap on the time option, choose your preferred time, and confirm by clicking OK. After setting the time, you will see options to choose the days for your reminders. By default, all days are selected. If you don't want reminders on certain days, simply uncheck those days. Also, make sure that the Get Reminder option is turned on so you will actually receive the notifications. Finally, after you have adjusted the time and days according to your preferences, click on Set Reminder to save your changes. Now you will get notified to check in on your mood regularly, helping you stay more aware and mindful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful app tutorials.